My dear students, welcome to the today's class. In this class, we are going to discussing about the types of the natural selections. In about the types of the natural selection, we discussed the one concept. The first we can take the in the environment population is there. The population is there. So the based on the size of the population, the natural resources are not enough because here the limiting natural resources are present. Limiting natural resource. Limiting natural resources is there. So due to the limiting natural resources, it is not enough for the total whole population and the environment. In the time, what is happening that which is the inferior individuals are eliminated. Inferior individuals are eliminated, but which is there in the society that superior individuals. Which one is present? Superior individuals are present. In this, what is the why the superior individuals are survived? Because there is having the advancement of a reproductive capacity, advancement of reproduction. So due to that, what is happening? That superior one is survive. So the based on the depends on resources. Depends on resources. Selection, natural selection is the various. The natural selection is the various. In that natural selection, the three type of the natural selection is there. The first one is the directional natural selection. The first one, directional natural selection. The second one is the stabilizing natural selection. The third one is centrifugal natural selection. 3 directional, stabilizing and centrifugal natural selection. In that we are going to discussing about the directional natural selection through the graphical representation. First one is about the directional natural selections. This directional natural selection is we will discuss through the one graphical representation. For example, you can take this is about the y-axis, it is about the x-axis. In the y-axis, we can take the number of the individuals. The x-axis, we can take the size of the beak. We will take the what? The size of the beak. In the size of the beak, we are considered the three type of the size of the beaks. One is the thinner beak. The second one is a medium beak. Next third one is a thicker beak. The three type of the beak is there. Now we can take the thinner beak, which is the thinner beak birds is there. The pinch birds, especially the thinner beak Darwin pinch birds is there. What is the specialty? It can collect the food from nectar of the leaves. Which is the thinner beak pinch birds to collect the food as from the nectar of the leaves. Now we can take the medium beak pinches, which is having the medium beak pinches birds. There is a crush. They crush the soft seeds. They can be crush the soft seeds. Now we can take the thicker beak one. We can take the food, crush the hard seeds. The thinner one is collect the food from nectar of the leaves. This medium is crush the soft seeds. The thicker one is crush the hard seeds. That the three type of the pinch birds in the size of the beak and x-axis. Then after that, what we have to do? Now we can take the y-axis. We can take the number individuals. 10, 20, 30, the 40, the 50, the 60 is there. See, for example, in the normal environment, which is the thicker beak is how many is there? Like that, 1, the 12 is there. Now we can take the medium beak size is a size pinch birds how many is there? The maybe the 40 is there. We'll take the 40 then. The thinner beak again there is the 12 or the 20s. It is in a normal conditions. So in the time which is the like that we can make the connection this it is looking like the parabola. In that which is the highest one abundant is which one? The medium beak is the abundant. The medium beak one is the abundant. But which is the thinner one and thicker beak is very less the comparing to medium beak. So medium beak is the very highest is there. So what is happening that due to the environmental condition changes, for example there happen the drought. Due to the drought, what is happening that there is shortage of the food. When the shortage of the food, all the leaves are damaged. When all the leaves are damaged, that the seed which is a soft to tissue, soft to seeds is there. Size which is the crushed soft to seeds is there. There is a number also going to reduce. But which is the one, the thicker crushed hard seed only is available that. So in this time, which is the shortage one that, which is the food is a shortage one, which one that the nectar, the thicker beak food items, the nectar, so leaves it is also same the shortage one. The next is which one, the medium beak, because it is not a harder coat of the seeds, it is also shortage one that. So but which is going to is increasing that see here that. Which is going to increasing that the thicker beak is there is a maybe the number is increased as this is a 40, it is a 8, this is 8 like this. What is happening that once you can cover this curve, connect this so like that is there. So which is the number is in second one, which is the number is the highest, the thicker beak pinch birds is highest because due to the draft the hard coat is there. How it is the movement, it is a one direction. It is a movement is how the like a one direction. That's why this type of the natural selection is called as the directional natural selection. Okay, then after that the stabilizing natural selection. Now is the stabilizing natural selection. What is the specialty of the stabilizing natural selection? It is happened when in the constant environmental condition. It is happened when the constant environmental conditions. It is this type of the natural selection is happened in the environment. For example, you can explain the stabilizing natural selection through the one example by using of graphical representation x and the y-axis. The y-axis number of the individuals. In this we are taking the examples is a lizard. We are taking the example which one is the lizards. In the number of the lizards, the 10, 20, 30, the 40 like that. Number of the lizards on y-axis. The different body size of the lizards. Which one? The different body size of the lizards in x-axis. One is the small size lizards, next is the medium sized lizards, the next is the large sized lizards. Which one? The large sized lizards is there. In that, for example, you can take the small size is the 20 is there. Again, the large size also maybe you can take that 20. The medium size is you can take the 40. Where in a one environment. When we are connecting this, it is looking like a parabola, which is a abundant one is a medium one is a abundant one. Which one is the abundant is a medium one. So listen here, when in that environment, which is the predators of the lizards. Lizards is the predators is the which one that the snakes. The snakes is the predators. Lizards predates, and you can take the birds. These are the predators. Unfortunately, the snake or the bird is entered into this constant environmental conditions. When for example, birds came when the birds came, what is happening that the small size lizards is there, they cannot escape properly. They cannot run faster because under development. Now it's a developing stage only, so it cannot run faster. So what is happening? The bird is easily catch the which one? The small lizards. What happened that the small lizard size is going to number is going to reduce. The next we can take that the large lizards. What is the large lizards? The size is very high. So large size. So what is happening that either bird or the snake they can easily detect the large lizards. That's why what is happening that the large lizard size is also number also going to reduce. Now we can come to the medium lizards. It is easily escape because it is a developed. It's not much larger, much smaller. So due to that, it can easily escape one. So automatically, which is the number is going to increase in that medium size lizard number is going to increase that. So in the first session also which one medium size lizards will increase, in the second constant environment also medium size will increase. So this type of the selection is called as the stabilizing selection. The next is the disruptive selection or the centrifugal selection. One is the centrifugal or the disruptive natural selection. In this selection is happened when the homozygous environmental conditions the change into a heterozygous environmental conditions. For example, in this we are taking the example as which one that we are taking the rabbit. We are taking the rabbit. What we have to do? We can take the 10 rabbits. White rabbits is how many? The 10 white rabbits. The next the 10 black rabbits. The next is the last remaining one is the okay, 50 around 50 grey rabbits. The grey rabbits we will take. So isn't it in a environment? What is when we are combined like this? What is happening that which is the abundance is there that the grey rabbit is the abundance in normally abundance. Highest number is which one is that grey rabbit is there. But these 3 rabbits can be where we lived in the place of where the black and white stones is there. Where does he live this? The black and white stone region we lived the 3 type of the rabbit. When we are living time, which is the highest number is there, grey rabbit is the highest, remaining the white and black rabbit is number is very less is there that. But when we lived in these 3 type of the rabbit in black and white region, in the time what is happening that which is after the lived in black and white region, white stones region when we are lived in the time what is happening that if your white rabbit is there, the white rabbit is going to hide the inside, hide the under the white stone. If I take the black rabbit, hide the under the inside or the beneath of the black stone. But which is the grey rabbit is there, the grey rabbit it is hide in the black stone or it hide under the white stone. Also you can easily detected by the which is the predators, the eagles. So in the time what is happening that easily due to the detection of the eagles or the predators, the grey rabbit number is going to reduce. But this black and white rabbit number is increasing that because there is the black and white stone region. So that's why what is happening, which is the number is increasing that the white is increasing, the black is increasing that. So white is increased, the black is increased. But which one is going to reduce? The grey is going to reduce. Once we are covered like this, where the central one is a disruptive centrifugal selection. This is all about the 3 type of the natural selections. Thank you one and all.